We've also created the ability to do a 3D, we call it 3D snapshot. What it is, it's a 180-degree view of an object. In this case, I'll do a 180 degree of this guy. You can see it's not a two-dimensional thing at all, right? Roughly about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll be able to do a 180-degree capture of this 3D object. First stage is the data capture right now, followed up by this next stage starting about 10 seconds of data visualization, and then the final stage is the visualization itself. Okay, so what you can see here is that we captured the mice, but we've got some residual stuff as well. So we want to make sure that we get what we want, and in this case we want this and that. That's all we want. We don't want this junk over here. So here's our cleaned up object, and this allows engineers to be talking to each other. It allows students in college to be talking to each other to come up with the next generation mousetrap. Imagine having the engineers talking to the marketing team, talking to support, prior to actually having a physical prototype, thereby reducing the time to market, reducing R&D, increasing time to market, and thereby increasing revenue overall. Now again, these are both touch screens. So I have the ability to do this. And since I did say it's a 180, you can see it's not getting anything back here. In a late June timeframe, we'll have a full 360-degree capability, which will allow us to send it directly to a 3D printer, to a high-end graphics program, a CAD program, whatever we want, because it's an OBJ file that we'll be able to send. Therefore, it's a standard file format that can be read by other things. Now, what I want to show you, though, is a visual implementation of what I'm talking about. Similar to that mouse that you just saw, I previously captured the image, but I captured it multiple pictures, kind of like the old, not the old, but the way PowerShot cameras do it today, of creating a panoramic picture, of stitching a whole bunch of pictures together. That's what we're talking about. So I'm going to show this to you in another program. Same type of mouse, just a different one than I captured earlier. You're able to get the full rotation and see the object from multiple sides. Again, figure out what this can do for college students trying to come up with the next generation mousetrap. How engineers can go about continuing a product line and including new innovation without actually having to spend a lot of manufacturing cycles for it.